I'm Peter Constabel, and I'm a professor in the Department of Biology, and I'm also the director of the Center for Forest Biology. I'm a plant physiologist and molecular biologist, which means that I study plants by looking at their biochemical constituents and also their genes. One of the things that we're really interested in is how plants respond to stress and environmental variation. And one of the things that happens is plants will respond very rapidly. Even though they're not moving, they actually react quickly to all sorts of environmental stimuli. So they'll change their gene expression, they'll express new genes, they'll make new chemicals. And by looking at those chemicals and those genes, we try to figure out what is the plant doing to adapt to those new conditions or to that stress. So our forests are full of carbon-based metabolites such as tannins. And so of course they're a storehouse of carbon. And if that carbon is released into the atmosphere, of course it contributes to CO2 and to climate change. Another angle in which we study, we think about climate change is of course to try to think about the kinds of trees that are best adapted to new conditions. So we try to understand how trees work and how plants work in order to perhaps select or develop plants that are better adapted to other conditions and more resilient.